Hey, Katrina here from CrappyHorses. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am working on a card for the Cut It Up challenge where the theme is to use your favorite colors. So I'm using my favorite colors, brown and blue. I love any kind of brown and blue. I'm going to use this Cuttlebug folder and this turquoise blue shade of cardstock, along with the brown craft paper. Then I've got my ivory card blank and a darker blue heart along with my heart digi. My blank is 8.5 by 5.5. I'm going to score that at 4 1/4, and I will end up with a finished card of 4 1/4 by 5.5. So we'll just fold that over and my card blank is now ready. I'm going to go ahead and tear the paper for my background, and this is just going to sit behind my embossed piece. I decided I wanted to tear it just to kind of give it a more rustic look to go along with my cowgirl and horse. And of course that Paisley print folder that I love. That is one of my favorite embossing folders. I'm going to bring it in. Just put the paper in, run it through traditional sandwich here. I am using a Spellbinders Excalibur. I love my Excalibur. It's oversized so I can emboss lots of different things in different sizes. I'm going to take this twine. I'm just going to tie it in a simple knot here just to create sort of a rustic cowgirl look on here and get a nice big knot. Now I'm going to tell you that I didn't get my knot tied in as tightly as I might have liked, and I'm going to show you later on in the video how I'm going to fix that. But first I'm going to take a little Fabri-Tac and I'm just going to adhere my focal digi here. It's a focal stamp from Cricut Design Space that I've print then cut onto that heart. And then I offset to get my background. All right, here comes the hint. If you find that you didn't get your string tight enough or your twine tight enough, you can take up the slack and just tape it into place with some masking tape or a little bit of washi tape. And then you can get it nice and tight and it'll look really clean on your card and no one is any the wiser. When I use twine on a card, I like to build channels for it because I don't like the twine to bump out on the card. You know how when you put it together, the twine will bump and you'll see it through the card. So what I like to do is sort of build channels, and I take cereal box, you know, the box from cereal, and I just build little channels here. And you can see how I'm just slipping little pieces of this cardstock in there, or the cereal box, over the cardstock. And it makes little channels then for the twine. And then when I glue this onto the card, the cereal box is what actually goes against the back of the card instead of the twine. The twine just fits in there. So that's what I like to do. And I do this every time I use twine, just so that it gives it a nice, even appearance. And here I'm doing it for the heart. I'm going to just build a channel in on the back of this heart so that the twine just sits inside those cereal box spots. And then you can see that my little knot from my twine is just going to sort of hang over the top there. I'm going to go ahead and adhere the heart in at this point, and then I will go ahead and adhere the embossed piece. I'm not putting it in straight, I'm putting it in as an angle, or I should say at an angle, and you can see that I'm adding my Fabri-Tac here to the cereal box part, and it'll just sit right on top of there. I'm going to go ahead and embellish now with a few teal colored gems. And another little hint, I'm going to take a little bit of this multi-medium glue. I'm just going to rub my finger in it and just tap those gems right on top of my finger and just glue them right into place. Hey, thanks for joining me today. This was a really fun card. I really enjoyed making it. Feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you like. I so appreciate your time. I invite you back again anytime. Leave me any comments or questions and I'll leave you all the information you need in the box below. Have a wonderful week and I will catch up with you in the next video. Bye.